Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a train while we learn Spanish. Let's go to the front. This train is coal-fired, so it has a chimney. Chimney in Spanish is CHIMENEA. This is where the smoke comes out. Smoke in Spanish is HUMO. We draw the cockpit. Here is the engineer. He is the person who drives the train. Cockpit in Spanish is CABINA. Let's draw the windows. That in Spanish is said VENTANAS. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we draw the wheels. Wheel in Spanish is RUEDA. Very good. Now we draw the train tracks, is where a train runs. Train track in Spanish is Vía del Tren. Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say engineer in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. That is said, MARRÓN. Now we use gray. That is said, GRIS. Let's go with the blue color. That in Spanish is said, AZUL. We use dark gray. That is said, GRIS OSCURO. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Engineer in Spanish is MAQUINISTA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.